Friends, this is your Nitin sir. Today I am going to teach you questionnaire related with rational and irrational. Class 9th, ICSC, CBSC. Already I have given or uploaded one video related with rational number, how to prove root 3 or root over a is not a rational number. From there only I am continuing my video. So please subscribe my channel for the upcoming video also and touch the bell icon so you will get the notification. So I am going to start my class. Okay, now see childrens, already I have written here rationalization. If you'll see, rationalization already written, and then rational and irrational number, rational and irrational number. And then I have written here concept. What is the concept here? Very simple concept. 1 upon a minus b. It will be 1 upon a minus b, and the conjugate of a minus b is a plus b. This is known as rationalization, denominator, rationalization of denominator. Or if 1 upon a plus b, a minus b upon a plus b, a minus b. So numerator and denominator multiply by a minus b. And we know a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b always gives a square minus b square. So this concept I will use in this video and work out some problem which will help in your future. So first question, 1 upon 2 minus root 3. Check here, 1 upon 2 minus root 3. So 2 is a, root 3 is b, a minus b is given. What is not given? A plus b. This is my concept. So 1 upon 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Now you check. This is 2 plus root 3. And then 2 minus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. A plus b, a minus b. This is 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. This is equal to 2 plus root 3 divides 2 2 ja 4 minus 3. So this will be 1. So your answer is 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Clear children? So now this will be over. Again you see 1 upon 2 minus root 3. That will be in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So a is 2, b is root 3. So it will be 2 minus root 3, then 2 plus root 3, numerator and denominator multiply with 2 plus root 3. I am taking time in question number 1 because I just wish to give you the concept. Now check here the second question. Second question, root 6 plus root 3. It means what? Root 6 plus root 3. Check here, root 6 plus root 3, then 9 plus 2. What will be the value of root 18? 3 root 2. Root 18 will be 3 root 2. If you have any confusion, check here, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. So one pair 3 and the value is not in pair is root 3 root 2. Then root 6 plus root 3, simplifying the denominator first. So 3 2 ja 6, or you can say 3 is common. So it will be 3 plus 2 root 2. So now here this is your a plus b. I am using the different ink. So you'll understand which question is I am solving here. So now you will be solved. So this is a plus b. So root 6 plus root 3, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 bracket. Now root 6 into 3, 3 root 6 minus 2 root 6 multiplied by root 2 root 12 plus 3 root 3 plus minus 2 root 6 divides 3. Now this is 3 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Check here, this is a plus b, a minus b. This is a square minus b square. So we'll understand this line. This is the key point, you can say. Now 3 root 6, 2 root 6. Very simple. 3x minus 2x. It will be x. X is root 6. Minus 2 root 12. 2 again. What is the value of root 12? What is the value of root 12? Check here. 12. This is the method factorization. 6 ja 2, 3. 2 root 3. So this is multiply by 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3. Now 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. This will be 1. How it will be? 2 square is 4. 4 and root 2 square is 2. Or you can note this one, any value which is in a square root, if we'll do a square, gives the value. So root 2 square is 2. So 9 minus 8. This will be 1. Now root 6. 2 2 ja 4 root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus root 3 divides 3. This is your answer. Root 6 minus root 3 upon 3. Now the third question. Third question you check. Y square. Very simple question, but very conceptual. Y square. Now root x square plus root y square plus x. So here this is a plus b. We required a minus b. So x square plus y square minus x bracket, and then x square plus y square minus x in bracket. Very simple question, very conceptual one. So now this is y and this is a minus b. Y square x square plus y square minus x bracket. Now you check x square plus y square, a plus b, a minus b. It will be x square plus y square root a square minus x, that is whole square. So y square x square plus y square minus x. This is what? Divide root over. I already said if the square root is a square, so square root eliminated. So x square plus y square minus x square. X square cancel. Y square cancel. Answer is x square plus y square minus x. This will be in the root. This is your third answer. Please see the step. Okay. Now moving toward the fourth question. How to simplify? Very simple. Now I will use here trick. This is 3 root 2 root 3 root 6 a plus b, a minus b. So if number square root is going to be a square, it will be the same number. So 6 minus 3, a plus b, a minus b. 6 minus 3 is 3, and then in numerator root 6 minus root 3 minus 4 root 3 root 6 plus root 2. We need root 6 minus root 2, and denominator 6 minus 2 4 plus root 6 root 3 minus root 2, in denominator 1. 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel. That's why after third question I just wanted to step moving toward the next level of the question. So this is the next level where you will be asked to simplify using a plus b and a minus b in your mind only. No need to show, because if you know the concept, this is your perfect one. So now root 6 into root 12 minus root 6 minus root 3 root 18 minus minus plus root 6, then root 18 minus root 12. Now you check root 18 cancel, root 6 cancel, root 12 cancel. This is 0. A perfect question, a 2-line question. But the children just wanted to go with the longer simplification. Go, but use the concept a plus b, a minus b. Now see the next question, question number 5. This is the frequently asked question in everywhere in level 9. If you will follow so many books, this type of question appear there, frequently asked question, even in the examination also. So now 5 plus 2 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. We have to find the value of a and b. A and b. Very simple. Now you go with the simplification. This is 5 plus 2 root 3. 7 plus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3. Check. 5 plus 2 root 3. 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by a plus b. So a plus b needs a minus b. This is a plus b. We required a minus b. Now 5 7 ja 35. 5 4 ja 20 root 3. Then 7 2 ja 14 root 3. Then 2 4 ja minus 8 into root 3 into root 3 3. Then 7 whole square minus 4 root 3 whole square. 7 whole square will gives you 49. 4 4 ja 16. 16 3 ja 48. 49 minus 48 1. So this is what 35 minus 24, this 24, 8 3 ja, and then 20 root 3 minus and 14 root 3. So minus 20x and plus 14x will be minus 6 root 3 divided by 49 minus 48 is equal to 35 minus 24, 11. 6 root 3 divided by 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. With the sign you calculate the value of a and b. So we can say a is equal to 11, b is equal to minus 6. So see, now moving toward the next question. Why this question? You may ask why this question. Yes, this is the form of a plus b plus c, where the 3 numbers are given in denominator inserts. Take the smaller one, the 2 smaller one as a. So root 2 plus root 3 is equal to A and root 5 is equal to B, and then you go for the rationalization. So I will write this one, what, 1 upon root 2 plus root 3 bracket plus root 5 1 bracket, then root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5, root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Now maybe you will confuse here, so I am writing once again, this is A plus B, A minus B. So root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5, 1 multiplied by any number gives the same value, divides root 2 plus root 3, A square minus B square. Already I have given A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So root 2 plus root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Now you check, root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Here A plus B whole square, previous I have given one video, introduction of algebra. See the introduction of algebra coming here. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So my dear, go and check. If you have some problem in algebra, go and click my video, algebraic introduction plus for class 6, 7, 8, and you will get these type of formula. Everything related with the past knowledge always comes in your present knowledge. So be careful. So this is what, A square, root square is always gives a number 2, B square plus 2AB, and then root 5, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, cancel. So this is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 6. Now why I have chosen this question? Because I just wanted to give you multiple rationalization. 2 root 6, this value is not defined, so we have to rationalize root 6 also. Until the denominator don't have a search, then your answer will be the final answer. Otherwise this is incomplete. So again, root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 6 multiplied by only root 6, and then here root 6. So root 6 into root 12, root 12 plus root 18 minus root 30 divided by 2 into 6. This is your complete answer. So now you check once again. I hope you will follow this method, and then you don't have any problem while doing rationalization related with the some more question. This is not in, yeah. Now related with the algebra. Related with algebra, yes. Now you check, x is equal to this. Find the value of this. How will we find? This is related with what? Either x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. See the past knowledge, algebraic information coming here. So first of all, we have to find 1 by x. So x is equal to root 2 plus 1. So 1 by x is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Now again the rationalization, a plus b is given. So this is 1 by root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1. So this is equal to root 2 minus 1, 1 by x. Because 2 square is 2, minus 1 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So only root 2 minus 1. Now you have x and 1 plus x. So either you go with this or you go with this formula, algebraic, a plus b or a minus b. So I am writing x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square. X square 1 by x square. If you know, if the reciprocal gives only plus 2 or minus 2. If you have any confusion, go and click my video, Introduction of Algebra, class 6, 7, 8, 9. You will get the answer there. So x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, x is equal to root 2 plus 1 plus 1 by x is equal to root 2 minus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. See, I am not writing multiple formula. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 root 2 is equal to plus 2. This 2 will come this side. So 2 root 2 minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Again you see, root 2 plus 1 is given. Find x square plus 1 by x square. So this x square plus 1 by x square, you will go with the x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. So x is given, so I am going to find 1 upon x. 1 upon root 2 plus 1. So root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. Previously we solved a plus b, a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Root 2 square 2, 1 square 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So numerator root 2 minus 1. So x plus 1 by x is whole square. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, that is 2. So x is root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. This is 2 root 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So 2 will come this side. So 2 root 2 minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Moving toward the next question. Same question, but the pattern should be same. I'm increasing your label one by one. So if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, how you will find a plus 1 by b? Very simple. First of all, you find the square of this number. So many children all the time asking this type of problem, but they don't know the concept. This gives you a sense of a plus b. Otherwise, it's impossible to solve this question. So now you write here root x plus 1 by root x whole square. This is a plus b. Root x square. I am writing whole thing. Plus 1 by root x whole square. Plus 2. Reciprocal. So this is x plus 1 by x plus 2. And root x plus 1 upon root x whole square. So now you check. X is already given. Let this equation 1. So what to find? 1 by x. So x is equal to 2 plus root 3. 1 by x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. This is 2 minus root 3. 2 to the 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 1 by x is equal to here. So from 1 you write root x plus 1 by root x whole square. This is x. 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 plus 2. Root 3 cancel. This is 6 is equal to root 6. A square will come this side. 2 plus 2. Very simple answer. Check here once again. So now the next question, a very easy question, but there is a reason why I have given this question. When you have, here I have written especially simplify. If you have a denominator in a plus b, a minus b, no need to rationalize. You just take the LCM. That's why I have given this question. Root 7 plus 1, root 7 minus 1. So now root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1 cancel. Root 7 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 cancel. Sorry, here minus root 7 plus 1 whole square. So this is a minus b, a plus b. See the previous knowledge coming here. So a minus b, root 7 square, 7 plus 1 minus 2 root 7 bracket minus 7 square 7, 1 plus 2 root 7 bracket. Denominator 7 minus 1. Now you check 7 plus 1 minus 7 plus 1 plus cancel minus 2 root 7 and minus 2 root 7 minus 4 root 7 upon 6, that is minus 2 by 3 root 7. Very simple question but very tricky. Now again, x is equal to given, we have to find x. I am just going to end with this question. Why? Because you have a complete knowledge upon algebra also by using algebra in rationalization. X is equal to this, so we need 1 by x. 1 by x is 5 minus root 21 multiplied by 2. 2 will be the denominator. I am not going to waste your time also, so this will be rationalized. 2 5 plus root over 21 bracket, then 5 minus root over 21, 5 plus root over 21. So 1 by x is equal to 2 5 plus root over 21 divided by 5. 25 minus 21, 4. This is 5 plus root over 21 by 2. So now I have 1 by x and x. So now you check, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 plus root over 21. It is minus plus and then by 2 plus 5 plus root over 21 by 2. So this is what? 10 by 2. This is 5. So now x plus 1 by x whole square, x square, 1 by x square plus 2. 5 whole square, 25. X square plus 1 by x square, 2. This will become here. X square plus 1 by x square. So this is minus, no confusion. Okay. So now you check. So children, keep watching my video and revise your rationalization with the help of this type of questions. In future, I am going to upload more and more video regarding rationalization. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, take care, stay at home. Bye bye. God bless you everyone.